students, welcome back to the 6th episode of Learning Python Programming. I never knew there were so many geometrical shapes. However, after the response from our last video, now I know. For today's lesson, we have got a fun project to practice. Let's create a smiley face in Python by using all the functions we have learned in previous lesson.
Hello dear students, hope you are enjoyed learning different types of function in Turtle and coding for octagon in programmer way. Now we have another fun activity for you. Let's try to do it. In this activity, you have to draw a smiley. This activity is divided into 3 parts. In part 1, we have to draw a yellow color using a circle function with 100 as radius. Fill it using functions fill color, being fill and end fill. Go to original position using home function. In part 2, you have to draw eyes. Use functions go to reach position -40 and 100. Use the color function to change color to black. Now use being fill function, circle function to draw circle of radius 15 and end fill. Use pen up and pen down function to change the state of the turtle. Change the coordinates to 40 and 100 in the goto function. Repeat the same code to draw another eye. Run the code and here is the output. In part 3, you have to draw mouth. Go to -20, 50 position, pen down the turtle, use functions pen size to increase thickness of pen by 10. Use forward function with 40 steps. Run the code and you can see the complete smiley face ready. That was great students. You did it so well. In this chapter, you studied different types of functions that move turtle to desired positions. In this next section, you will be having a quiz and a homework activity. All the best with the quiz and have fun with homework activity. See you soon with the next exciting chapter. Till then, happy coding.
The face is as cute as a button. Now I am excited to see all the smiley faces drawn by our little coders. Create them in Clevered AI Labs and remember that practice the exercises is the only way to become a coder. Here is how you can log in Clevered AI Labs and write your own code. Here is how you can log in to Clevered's AI Labs and write your own code. Step 1. Visit www.ailabs.com. Step 2. Click here to sign up and enter your details. Step 3. After registering, you will receive verification email. Once you verify your email, you will get the credential to log in and start creating your first Python project. Happy coding!